Zoe. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Stay there, Vanessa. You might be thinking we're going to the solicitor, but no. We're going to see the accountant. You guys are all fucked up. So I thought I'd get some information from the accountant about hiring an employee. Because I might want to hire an employee. Why is this all so difficult? This employee needs to fit into a certain category that I am operational in with my business. I said, can we not just hire like a general assistant or something? Apparently it's not that easy. Good boy, keeping an eye on the neighborhood. Good boy. He's barking at the guy from the CTT, the mailman. Even in the city, the mailman is not safe. So yeah, now actually the accountant doesn't make any contracts, so a lawyer needs to make a contract for an employee. So the lawyer can also find out what kind of category the employee can be in, like as a job. My lawyer is busy. I dreaded going here because normally there's like 10 people waiting. It takes like, I think sometimes I've been here for an hour. And now it wasn't even 2 minutes. Muito boa. Muito boa. I better take Vanessa, more space. Why do they have to change everything again? I just had my rhythm. Where did my freaking peanut butter go? God damn it. Found some cookies. Very small cookies. Every fucking thing have to be so difficult today. God damn it. They still made it in there. you again. We are on our way to the customs office because they want to take a look at Vanessa. We is Vanessa and me. And you guys are joining me. And also I'm gonna pick up a translator. So I brought my translators. We're now at the customs office. And I think they moved buildings because the whole thing is empty. Look, there's nothing here. Two years ago it was here.
How many years?
If you're looking for the customs office, it's now here. Apparently I think maybe I got selected for like a random test or something. The guy checked my number from the car, like the identification number, and he measured like the space in the back. And then he said it's all good. You will receive a message within 48 hours
24, 48.
with your plate number. Muito bom. Muito bom. Muito obrigado. Muito obrigado.